Hi guys, welcome to Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare chicken soup. It will boost your immunity in this pandemic situation. This chicken soup has chicken and lots of vegetables which will keep you fit and healthy. So let's begin. For this you need 1 chopped capsicum, 2 chopped carrots, half bowl chopped beans, 2 chopped onions, butter, some coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and 250 grams chicken. Now take 2 liter water in a pan. And add 1 teaspoon salt. Then add the chicken pieces. Mix it. Then cover and cook it on medium flame. When it forms bubble, add 2 bay leaves and 10 to 12 cloves. Again cover it for 30 minutes. Check if the chicken pieces are boiled or not. Now take them out of the pan. Then separate meat from the bones. And keep them aside. To the same pan, add 2 tablespoons butter, add 1 teaspoon salt, onions, capsicum, beans, add carrots and chicken. Again cover it for 15 minutes. Then add the tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, coriander leaves, stir this well. Again cover it for another 2 minutes. Then serve it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.